Luckily, I figured out my tool. We had to go in with the tool long ways, and it still touched both pistons on both sides. When I say long ways like that, I was thinking it had to go in that way. Figured it out. Welcome to Peanut's Automotive Adventures. That's Peanut. Y'all can see him down there below. He's trying to get them lift points on the Cadillac. I'm James. Welcome to Peanut's Automotive Adventure, where every day is an automotive adventure. Today's video, as y'all can tell already, it's gonna be the Cadillac. We gotta do some simple maintenance to it before winter sets in, because I've been holding off on the maintenance way too long. Peanut trying to get that thing on that lift point. But yeah. And I'm gonna show y'all the maintenance in a few minutes. But hey, reach out to our sponsors, Innovative Powders. Reach out to them, y'all. Reach out to them for all your powder coating needs. And reach out to the graphic spot, y'all. Y'all know what to do, man. Reach out to them, all your graphic needs too. If you have anything graphic related, reach out to them, y'all. Promotional items, all that, right? All that. So, look at that. Peanut's having a little problem. But hey, let me turn this camera around and get him some help. All right, here, let me show you real quick. All right, team, run it. Let's show them a little bit. Then I'm gonna show y'all what we're gonna be working on. I haven't gave it away yet. What it is there's a pocket right here on these Cadillacs. Like a little frame rail pocket. It's like a square underneath here where the lift points are at. How I know this? Because I read the owner's manual. And it tells you. I always read the owner's manual sometimes, team, right? Or the instructions to anything. All right, so if you're trying to do the job, let me see if I can show y'all underneath here real quick. I don't think I can get it for you. There's a little square. So let me go up with my pad real quick. Y'all hear Peanut over at grunting. He right there, getting that back one in. Yeah, we good to go right there. Yeah, you hit it dead on, Peanut. You hit it dead on, for real. It was on there. All right, you see the other one underneath there?
Just can't get it.
All right, hold on. I got you. Hold on. I got you. All right, y'all. Let me go help him out real quick. I'm not gonna make this a DIY video. It's just an update video. Keep y'all updated on what we got going on in HoneyComb Hideout. A little bit. And let y'all come on the journey with us. Oh, yeah. This one gotta go full. Yeah, because this one's a little bit heavier, this arm. But hey, go ahead and let me bring it back in some for you, so you can spin it up. Hold on. I'll spin it up for him, y'all. I might as well just give it away to y'all. We doing front brake pads on this, man. It's been long overdue. I done had them for about 2 years. I just want to put new front brake pads on this car. I already changed the rotors out. They was warped around. I think the car might have hit like 65, 70,000 miles on it when I changed the brake rotors, because they was warped, man. You would hit the brakes and you get that front end shimmy. Every time you hit the brakes, change those out a while ago. Don't need to change those out. Them things are still good. So let me get over here and help him out. Dang, every time we out here, the generator cycling on. Come on, crank. All right, let me come around this way and get this front one in. Oh. Let me roll it down for you. Yep, Brembo brakes, y'all. We getting some new brakes on. As y'all can see, them rotors look good now. Them rotors are good to go. They're good to go. Look, Brembo brakes. Right here, we're gonna change out. Oh yeah, them pads. They low, but not that low. But they low enough for me to change out. I tell you that much. Yeah, we changing them jokers out. All right. Let me go ahead and get this done. Peanut down on that end. I'm gonna double check his. Are you on it? All right, I got you. All right, Team Runner, we'll be right back. Got everything good to go. That's good right there. I don't even need to go all the way up with it, huh? Let me lock it in place. We are locked down for takeoff. Locked down for takeoff. All right, hold on. Can you hold it? There you go. That's one. Go ahead. You got it? That's two. Ah! Butterfingers. Good hands, feet. All right, let's see what you got. All right, sit back, stand back, stand back. Yeah, go ahead. If I can get this off for you. One day you'll be able to take this off by yourself. Here, hold the camera for me while I take that off. All right. Boom, there's one. All right, let's go to the other side. Let me him on the other side. Look at that, y'all. Look at that. We getting there. Where's it at? Let me show you. Yeah, we getting there, y'all. We can go ahead and swap them on out. Swap them bad boys on out. Shoot. I see the word. Look like the word indicators are on the outside. Let me reach on around the back. Hold on, let me help you. On the outside. And these are original factory brakes, so I guess we're gonna put them right back the way we see them. Yep, there you go. I got you. Go ahead, take it off. All right, hold the camera if I can grab this wheel real quick. All right. Let's do this right here. All right. So let's look on this and see where the wear indicators are at. Seem like they're right here on the outside too, pads. Man, I wish I could redo these, that Cadillac decal right there. Look, Brembo right there, Brembo. And let's go take a look at the brakes real quick, team running. Go ahead, Peanut. You can sit that right here if you want, because we're gonna need it to put the wheels back on. But I got this handy dandy tool here, y'all. You know, you just can't use the regular ones. We gotta take the caliper, take the pads out first, then take the caliper off, and then press the pistons back in with this tool here. So this is what I got. I done dropped it. Told you, butterfingers today. And here's my pads right here, y'all. That's that wear indicator I was talking about right here. But they Brembo pads. Man, yeah. Let me see if I can share the part number with y'all real quick. Of course, I got them from GM. I can't remember what website I got these off of. If I remember it, I'll put it in the comments or in the description. But I'm trying to get y'all the part number to these pads real quick. Right there. Pad kit. That's the part number, y'all. Alrighty. So let's get to work. All right, team, run it. We got these pads replaced. I'm gonna put the pins back in. No, what are you doing? Put that down. We ain't even, look at all that. We ain't even put the pins back in yet. And the clip, right? There's the pins right there, the clips. I guess these are stabilizer clips for the brake pads itself. So we're gonna put the pins back in. I already tightened up these back bolts on the back side. I think they're 21 millimeter bolts that hold it in. Luckily, I figured out my tool. We had to go in with the tool long ways, and it still touched both pistons on both sides. When I say long ways like that, I was thinking it had to go in that way. Figured it out, put it up in there long ways, and it pressed the pistons right in, and we got the new brake pads right there. Bam. And here's the old ones right here. I just want to show y'all the old ones real quick. A little worn down, still has some meat on them, but I'm ready to go with some new ones. I'm probably going to order another set just to have on the shelf. But yeah, put it in there. Go ahead, put it in there. Hold on. Yep, you got the right side in. Hold on. And it should just, we need a little hammer to tap them in. So put the other one in. Well, what I was going to do too is have you put that in. See, that's how that clip go. Hold on, we're going to do one at a time so I can press that clip down and get it in there without breaking it. So be right back, Team Running. We're going to go ahead and put this side together and get to the left. All right, Team Running. The wheels are ready to go on. Wheels are ready to go on. So left side, driver's side is complete. I wish it would have came with a new one of these spring things, but it didn't. So we just gonna reuse the old one. So we about to put these wheels back on and lower this off. So we will be right back. Peanut's trying to pick up the wheel. One day he'll be able to do it. One day. So let's go ahead. A little brake job got me out here sweating, y'all. Got me out here sweating. I'm trying to get back in shape, ain't we, Peanut? We got some stuff to do to this car, just general maintenance. So, all right, we'll be right back. All right, Team Run It. We are complete. Look at me. I hope I don't got no smudges on my face. I probably do, don't I? Look at that, y'all. Brakes kicked my tail, but we got it done, right? We got it done. The brakes got done on the 2014 Cadillac CTS VSport. Brembo brakes, Brembo pads. I shared the part number with y'all. Peanut helped me out with it. What we about to do is back this out and pull the Grand National back in. And we're gonna practice soccer, y'all. We're gonna practice soccer after I go clean my face up looking all crazy. And we're gonna get his soccer practice in for today. And we appreciate all the support. Don't forget to look up, use our sponsors. And I'm gonna cut it short, y'all. Don't forget to comment, like, subscribe, and share. Hit that notification bell, y'all. You know what I'm saying? We're gonna have more content coming. There's little things I gotta get done before winter sets in because I've been messing around all summer, not doing what needs to be done, but we're starting to do it. We're gonna get it right. Next is Junior Dragster is gonna be coming in for a gear swap. We gotta go with a higher gear for more miles per hour. So we're gonna get that in here because there's 2 testing tunes at VMP this month and we gotta get them out there, man. We gotta get them out there. So yeah, that's Peanut. I'm James. It's Peanuts Automotive Adventures. We out. Peace.